with Sky's the Limit Window Cleaning. We are a commercial window cleaning and glass restoration company based out of Palm Beach, Florida. Working with Nanovations on their glass sealant, because as of now there's really no glass sealants that will come with a warranty, and we've tried a lot of different glass sealants. The Nanovations product, which comes out of Australia, which I had opportunity to use about 5 years ago. At the time it was very cost prohibitive getting it across to the United States, is now available, so it's much more economical, and it's also an amazing product that will protect your glass from mineral deposits, stains, and abrasions, especially shower enclosures where you have hard water being introduced to your glass 2 to 3 times a day. I'm excited to work with Nanovations because, again, anything we've tried has pretty much not lasted longer than 4 to 5 months, and no one else will offer a warranty that their product will shed and protect the glass after several months.